Hi, and welcome to another daily recap. So, this is a recap of you on day 68, July 30, 2024, Tuesday, and there is no trades today. So, let me show you my analysis, what I analyzed and what actually happened, and why I didn't take any trade today. So, the same as uh, uh, same for Euro USD. This will not affect my trading. Only this will affect my trading. But since this is out of my session, so I'm not going to consider this one. So, okay, let's jump into the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, but daily also has some information. I just failed to take the screenshots, which I would like to show you now. So this is the daily, and you can see neglect this candle. This is the Tuesday candle. Actually, yeah, the price came down without mitigating this supply. So what I expected is price to go up, take out this equal highs, mitigate this supply, and then come down. So that was my bias today. So my bias was bullish. But price swept this buy side liquidity, so I'm strongly expecting the price to go up today. So it's also a weekly power of this setup. So this is 4-hour. The swing is bullish and the internal is bearish. So again, in 4-hour also, I was expecting the price to go up to mitigate this supply, or take out the liquidity above the supply because there is no lid here, and also it has taken out the sell side liquidity. So price, there is all the reasons for the price to go up and take out, I mean, to mitigate the supply or take out the liquidity above the supply. So swing is bullish, internal is bearish, swing pullback phase, price has reached the EQ of the swing range. So one more confluence is that price has reached the EQ. So run to external phase can start, which means this strong high can be taken out. Currently, I'm expecting the 4-hour to make a deeper pullback into the 4-hour supply before taking out the weekly internal low. Yeah. Or the price can flip the supply to start the run phase. I mentioned earlier. Thus, by my high time frame bias is bullish. So we are having a clear high time frame bias. This is H1. The swing is bearish and internal is bullish. Again, the medium time frame order flow is now matching with the high time frame order flow. All I wanted to do is just tap into this POI and then go up. That's it. Very simple. So swing is bearish, internal is bullish, swing pull back phase. Very simple. As expecting a strong internal low to hold and push the price further up to make a deeper H1 pullback into the premium prices. Face the longs are valid as I have a higher time frame narrative in support of me. So higher time frame is supporting a bullish bias, and lower time frame is also having the bullish order flow. So just tap this POI and then go up. I could have taken risk entry, but there's always a chance that the price can, this is very small range, so price can push down and then go up. So why should I take the risk? And one more thing is that this is the EQ, and this red line is the EQ, and price has already reached this EQ. So this is the POI where the price can mitigate and then come down because it is formed through sweep of liquidity. So there is high chance that this POI can be respected, and then price can push down to take out the weak swing low, and that's phase A. So there may not be a deeper pullback. Make a price push down without having a deeper pullback. This is because price is not coming off a strong high time frame POI. Yeah, one more. Yeah, actually two confluences there. First one is this POI is formed through sweep of liquidity, and then there's a massive push down. And the second is the price has just here the price has just swept some sell side liquidity, but it did not mitigate any significant high time frame POI. So, high value POI is more than liquidity. Like a valid POI must have a liquidity associated with it. But since it just took the liquidity but did not mitigate any POI, so this gave me another confidence that the price can fail because it's not coming off from a high time frame POI. So there are various factors for this to fail and this not to fail. So again, but in the end, yeah, this is the POI. One sec. Yeah, actually, if I traded, phase B shorts from here, then that could have been a beautiful trade. You can see a fake break. the price coming up with the fake break, and there was this trade here. So this was during London session, but I was sitting with barehanded, so I just recorded this uh, what trade could have been taken. So this is LC2A that was formed, and price started to run down. This is actually phase B shots. You can take aggressive shots, but I'll usually wait for medium time frame chalk to take entries. But phase C longs didn't play out. You can see this. This is that H1 POI, and it got invalidated. You can see that this got clearly invalidated, and price made another swing break of structure on the downside. So there was no trades like this POI actually played out. Price made a bearish swing boss, thus I'll be looking to play the phase A shorts if the price reaches the H1 supply. I can expect the price to reach its demand as it's very small swing range. Since the price has already taken the swing low and it's very tight price action, so definitely I can expect the price to come to this POI tomorrow. So let's quickly check whether it has come or not. Yes, it has reached this POI. So let's see. Two. It's just 2:45. Still 5 hours to go. So let's see if the price makes a chalk. Uh, you know, if everything is set ready during the session, then I can just mark the PO and take the shots. Let's see what's happening today. But for now, we can what I can expect is this POI, this strong high to hold, and the price to push down. But also remember there is no lid here, so the all the liquidity resting would be above this swing high. So price can liquidate this swing high and then come down. Okay, there is no trades today. You can see what I expected and what actually played out. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Hi, and welcome to another daily recap. So today I'm going to recap day 68, July 30, 2024, and it's Geo, and I didn't get any trades today. So let me show my pre-session analysis and what actually happened. And one more thing is that I didn't trade London today because of some personal issue. I'm just going to recap what happened during the New York session. So if I jump into the Forex factory, you can see all the news was happening after my session, that is 15. So it was none of my concern. I'll actually close all my trades before 3. So what does the daily tell us? The swing structure is bullish and the internal structure is also bullish. And now there is a bearish shock, which means the price can make an internal pullback or or a deeper swing pullback before pushing up. So that's what is being conveyed in the daily. And the price has mitigated into this daily demand and it has showed some sign of rejection. So either price can move up today to up to the supply and then come down, or price can just move up and then flip it down. So anyway, it can, anything can happen today. So I'm just going to look for the lower time frames to to guide me through the session. This is the 4-hour chart. You can see the swing is bullish and the internal is bearish. So this is the current internal range that I'm currently dealing with. So swing is bullish, internal is bearish. It is in swing pullback phase. It didn't reach the discount levels, so I'm expecting the price to come further down. But also keeping in mind that there is this demand level, daily demand, which could act as a force for the price to push up and take out this weak swing high. So we can okay, price has reached the daily demand and the 4-hour demand. We can expect the price to take out this strong high to start the run phase. Also keeping in mind that the price has not reached the uh, swing discount levels. So in 4-hour also there is no clear bias. But one thing we can say that if there is no clear bias, like we can just trade the order flow. So as per that concept, I can just trade I can just look to shorts using this POI, 4-hour POI, and assuming this strong high will hold and this POI will give me entry, I can target this weak low. So this is H1 and H1 is swing is bearish and the also internal structure is bearish. So that's phase A. There was a good opportunity, a trading opportunity right here, but I didn't get involved because I didn't trade London. Let me just quickly see whether there was an opportunity. Okay, here we come. This is H1. Let me quickly jump into the M15 and see whether we got an opportunity or not. Okay, here we go. So this is where the pullback started, and price came up, came down, came up. Yeah, actually it made LC2B. Yeah, there was a good opportunity. This was the LC2B uh, formation. So price took that equal highs and then it came down. So there was that trading opportunity there, which I didn't get involved because I was not trading the London session yesterday. But yeah, it is what it is. You can see I keep my position here and one tip stop loss 42, 52. Yeah, that's a great trading opportunity, guys. So which I missed. It's fine. Trading is not always. Yeah, that's a good trading opportunity. Okay, let me take a quick snap of this one and paste it here. Yeah. Okay. Price actually made an EC2B here, and then price started to push down. So I was only trading the New York session. So price mitigated the supply and made a bearish high boss. A bearish high boss. This is bearish high boss. Thus, I'm expecting this order flow to continue till the price takes out the weak swing low. Weak swing low. Since the range is very tight and there is no visible POIs, I'll prefer to wait for another lower low to be formed and then take sells. So this POI has been mitigated and the price started to push down. Apart from this, there was no other POI. Even this is not a chalk. This is not a chalk. So the next chalk would be right here. So once this internal weak internal low is taken out, if the price pullbacks to this POI, then I would be aggressively entering shorts. But unfortunately, price didn't pull back. It just rallied down and it didn't pull back. So at 420, price made a bearish high boss and I wanted to get into the trade if the price mitigates the H1 POI. But price kept running down and did not pull back to give me an entry. So it is what it is. But price will not just directly jump and take out this weak swing low. Definitely we can expect a pullback tomorrow. And then if there is a good entry, then I love to enter in this POI because it's phase A shorts, high probability. So let's see what's happening tomorrow. If I'm able to get a short trade, then I'll be happily taking short trade tomorrow. Otherwise, if the price takes out this weak swing low, then I'll be looking to, I'll be looking if there is any high time frame POI, and then I'll be looking for, medium time frame chalk, and then I can look to play the phase T longs. So expecting the phase C to start. So that's how it works. And this is the trade that I showed you that I missed yesterday. And yeah, and you can see this is actually this screenshot I just took it now, so you can see the price action. Now it's approaching this POI, so we can expect the price to come to this POI and give us some entry so that we can enter. Let's see. It's still time. So okay guys, see you. I'll just update the next daily recap. So for now, bye. Hello and welcome to another daily recap. So this is day 68 and I'm going to recap gold. This is US dollar. This is July 30, 2024 and it's Tuesday. And I didn't get any trades today. So let's see what was my pre-session analysis and why I didn't get any trades today. So starting with the daily the swing structure is bullish and the price has actually made a chalk here and then it has continued down. So I'm assuming this to be the internal structure because it has made a massive pullback and then pushed down. So this would be my strong internal high and this would be my weak internal low. Price as and one more thing is that this is the demand which I expected the price to hold and then push up, but the price tapped into this demand and then pushed up and then made a failed reaction. So obviously the liquidity below this demand would be taken out. So that would be my drawn liquidity. Also, this aligns with the weak internal low. So double the confluence. So I'm expecting the price to come down to take out both this drawn liquidity as well as the weak internal low. Also, these together forms equal lows. So you can see this line will act as a magnet for the price to come down. So the 4 hour the swing is bullish, internal is bearish. So this is the internal range that I was dealing with. So this is a strong liquidity and this is the weak internal low. The swing is bullish, internal is bearish. Swing pullback phase, price has reached 61.8 pip level, but still there is some reason for the price to come down. Price reached the daily supply and made a bearish stop in H4. This is nearly said that the weak internal low could be magnet for the price along with the equal lows below. As already mentioned earlier, yeah, price tapped into the supply, made a bearish stop, so I could use this POI to target this drawn liquidity as well as this. This would be my first target, and this would be my second target, and this would be my third target. So this is H1. H1 is swing structure is bullish. Internal structure is we must go. Yeah, internal structure is actually bearish. So since the internal structure is very massive, I have subdivided the internal structure into small internal structures. I'll show you. So this is that massive internal structure. This is a strong internal high and weak internal low. And within this internal structure, there is small internal structure which is actually bearish now. So this is a small internal strong high. This is small internal weak low. So what I'm since the small internal structure is bearish, so this which means that this weak internal low can be raided out. So what I need to look is some kind of confirmations or medium time frame confirmations for the price to take out this small internal weak, which will obviously take out this internal weak. So price mitigated the H1 supply that has swept liquidity. Yeah, actually, this is the good supply which swept the liquidity and then pushed down. But the thing is, it does not have any inducements. Thus, price can expect this POI to take out a small internal weak low. But I must also keep in mind that this POI does not have any inducements. Thus, price can rate the highs of the POI before making the bearish push. And price actually tapped into this POI. So I just hesitated to take the trade. No, actually, no, I did not hesitate. I did not trade the London session, so I did not take this trade. Uh, but once the price pushed up, took out this liquidity, and then made a bearish stop, I have all the confidence in the world to go for shorts. So this is phase C shorts. It's a non-OT region, but still high time frame is supporting my medium time frame idea, and this medium time frame POI has all the criteria that I wanted. So it has to be equity, it has displacement, it has made a shift in the order flow, and it's unmitigated till now, and it's formed during the kill zone. Yeah, it's actually New York kill zone, and it is tapped within the 4-hour POI, and it has also flipped this order block. You can see this is a POI that the price reacted to and then pushed down. So high probability supply, and also there is a price reacted to this one and made a medium time frame shock. So very high probability. I just wanted to enter shorts aggressively. So this is the entry method that I preferred, LC1 using M15 late, which is very aggressive. So this is more conservative, less conservative, aggressive. But with one candle, the price just took out that supply, which for me was very high probability. So after this one, my brain stopped thinking. So I just stopped looking at gold chart. And this one got invalidated. The sell idea is no more. So let's quickly jump into the gold chart and see what actually happened. Actually, the small internal structure is shifted bullish, and now the price is reaching to the extreme supply. So once the price reaches to this extreme supply, I can look to play, the if the medium time frame shifts bearish, then I can look to play shorts. Otherwise, this itself looks like a swing range, and let's see what the market has for me today. So it's just 2:55, so there are still time to go. So let's see. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.